এ পর্যায়ে ধারাভাষ্যের পরিবর্তন, ধারাভাষ্যে এখন আসছেন মোহাম্মদ সাব্বির হোসেন।
এখন কর্নার কিক মারার জন্য প্রস্তুত হচ্ছেন। আলিয়াবাদ কর্নার কিক অ্যান্ড সামনে থেকে বল চলে গেল মাঠের বাইরে। অ্যান্ড রনি গোলকিপার অ্যান্ড দ্য হেড। ও গুড শট। এখন বল চলে যাচ্ছে ওইদিকে, বলটা পাচ্ছেন, পড়ে গেল। চমৎকার চেষ্টা, শট। ও গোলগুলির কাছে চমৎকার শট নিয়েছিলেন এবং গোলকিপার এবং বলটা বাড়িয়ে দিল। এই মুহূর্তে ছক শট লম্বা করে বাড়িয়ে দেওয়ার পর রনির থেকে চলে যাচ্ছে বল। এবারে শিহাবের কাছ থেকে বল লম্বা শট নিয়ে নিলেন এবং ফাঁকা মারে বল চলে গেল বাইরে। দর্শক শ্রোতারাও দেখছেন এবং আউট। ময়নার পায়ে বল। আমিনুর থেকে বল চলে যাচ্ছে মাঠে, বৃষ্টিতে পানির কারণে অনেকটাই ত্রুটিপূর্ণ হচ্ছে। ও গোল শট, কিন্তু বলটা জাম্পিং দেওয়ার পরে বলটা বাইরে চলে গেল। গোল কিকের জন্য প্রস্তুত নিচ্ছেন। একটুর জন্য টান উত্তেজনা চলছে খেলায় এই মুহূর্তে। চমৎকার শট দেওয়ার পরে একটুর জন্য গোল হলো না। কৃষ্ণর পায়ের থেকে বলটি ছুটেছিল কিন্তু গোল হয়নি। এ পর্যায়ে গোল কিক করে দিলেন মাঠের মধ্যে ইকবালের কাছ থেকে বল চলে সোহাগ। এ পর্যায়ে চমৎকার পাসের মাধ্যমে চলে যাচ্ছে ইকবাল। মাঠে পানি থাকার কারণে বল ভালোভাবে সবার পায়ে পৌঁছচ্ছে না এবং কি দেখছেন এলেঙ্গার আরিফের পায়ের থেকে একদম আউট হয়ে গেল। আউট। ময়না শামিনুর সামনে বল চেষ্টা করছে, খুব পানিতে ধাক্কা নিয়ে গেল রেফারি এবং কে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে বল নিয়ে। ও গোলে পড়ে গেল কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে। গুলি প্রায় আহত হয়ে আছে, গুলি নিচে পড়ে আছে এবং বল মনে হচ্ছে গুলি ভয়ঙ্করভাবে আহত হয়েছে। মেডিকেল ইমার্জেন্সি দরকার সম্ভবত। মাঠের খেলা স্থগিত হয়ে গেছে কেননা গোলকিপার এখন প্রায় আহত। মেডিকেল ইমার্জেন্সি হয়তো আসতে হবে। এ পর্যায়ে পুরো মাঠ স্তব্ধ হয়ে গেছে। গোলকিপার হয়তো ভয়ঙ্করভাবে আহত হয়েছে। এবার শুরু হতে যাচ্ছে। বল আউট হয়েছিল। কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে আগামী শুক্রবারে খেলার জন্য আপনাদেরকে সবাইকে আমন্ত্রণ জানানো হচ্ছে। বল চলে গেল বাইরে। আউট। কিক মেরে দিল। তাহলে আগামী শুক্রবারে খেলার জন্য সবাইকে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছে। কালিহাতি একাদশের খেলা আছে। আউট হয়েছে, আউট মারার জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছেন। মাঠে টান উত্তেজনা চলছে। দেখুন একটাবার দেখুন কত দর্শক হয়েছে। ও গোল কিক করেছিল, গোলকিপার দুর্দান্ত পরিশ্রম করে বলটি আটকে রেখেছেন। এখন খেলার প্রায় শেষের দিকে, সবাই উত্তেজিত। এ পর্যায়ে স্কোর আউলিয়াবাদ 0। খেলা দেখা যাচ্ছে, গলির হাতে বল। They're going to hit. Oh, this long shot. Arif, he's going to control this and pass the ball to Moina, and that was really muddy way. The field is not good at all, and all the 22 players, they're trying to play very well, but because of the water, it's a really a good time of play, and more than 2,000 of people are watching, and their friends. It's really pass Moina, and finally the ball was controlled by the Arif. He's trying to cope with the ball, and he fall down, and finally the whistle from the referee. It's just a good shot. Arif. Oh, the ball has passed and kicked. The whistle from the referee, and this indicates the ball was gone. Maybe foul. All the players are getting their position, and the goal hit. A long shot, but it doesn't work. Moina. Because of the water of this field, it's really hard to play here. And the ball had gone outside of the field. And out. Minhas he passed the ball. And the 6 number jersey. And Moina pass Minhas. It's really freeway, and if he can do that opportunity, and great opportunity to hit. Oh no, it was a really good shot, and the goalkeeper has caught the ball. It was a really fantastic game, though there is water in the field, but it doesn't even affect all the players. The whistle from referee, the foul, the free hit. Maybe she has made free hit. Oh, it's a great opportunity. Oh, the ball has gone outside of the field. The whistle from the referee, and the goalkeeper is trying to get ready to kick the ball. A long pass, and the ball went away from the outside of the field. Out. Shaminor, and the ball caught by the goalkeeper. It's a good shot, and it came out. Arif, the ball passed from the Arif, and it's a great opportunity to kick the goal in and outside of this field, and it was about to close, and the goalkeeper is trying to prepare his ball. A long shot at the midfield. The foul, maybe. Foul. They're trying to judge exactly, and the referee came from international, maybe national, sorry, just a mistake. Oh, what a good shot! And it was caught by the goalkeeper, and he really delivered good ball pass. Johnny was trying to make himself, and he lost the ball. And finally, Tamim and Dalim got the ball, and he's trying to take the ball besides the goal. And it was a great opportunity to kick, but he failed. And Arif has got the ball. Moina, Arif passed the ball to the Moina, and Moina is trying to get the ball in a great position to kick, but he lost that opportunity to kick. Whistle from the referee, and it was a foul. I was feeling hesitant, that's why I was not able to talk to people. And it's a free hit and a long shot, but the ball has went away from the field. And look at the field, look at the outside of the field. There are so many people, thousands of people and thousands of fans of football. They're watching. And Auliabat team and others. It was really an exciting moment. And the ball got Moina. Arif from Moina. Arif shot the ball, and it's really free. If there was one person then who could kick, it's a great opportunity, but the whistle from referee, it was offside. And long shot was trying to get the ball. Shojan Dalim tried to get the ball. The ball has went away outside of the field. And whistle from referee. It's a really amazing day, but because of the rain, there are so many water has stuck away in the field, and that's why a little difference of playing. All the players are trying to play, and it was really great shot. Look at the ball. Oh, Moina tried to get the ball. Oh, it's a great opportunity to kick the ball, and it was really exciting, and he failed to control the ball. Look at the ball. And Arif got the ball, and he's trying to get the ball. Moina, Arif, Rolif. It's really great opportunity. Dalim was trying to get the ball properly, but he failed to stand on the field because of the water, and it's really hard to play for them. We can see there are many holes in the field. That's why water has got stuck. And whistle from the referee. There was a foul. This is the great opportunity for them. It's really closer from the goal hit, and they got the free hit. And if they can use and they can utilize that. A great shot. Oh, goal! Look at the goal. It was really a great shot and great deliver. And look at the joy of that. And they are celebrating. Maybe they got the players. And it was really good shot, and a long shot has went through the goal box. And it was a really exciting moment for them. Maybe all the players are really happy. They take the game as in their favor. A long shot. Dalim was trying to hit the ball, but he didn't got. It's Elenga versus Auliabad. Maybe hand, and the referee really was really careful, and he was trying to find all the faults and they could create in the game. It was a really exciting game, and all the players of this team. It's a great opportunity, and it's free hit, close. Oh, ball went away at the outside of the field. All the players in the outside and the north side of this field. Goalkeeper. And the ball will be thrown by this goalkeeper. Have a look at the view of this field, and great weather, and I would like to thanks to Allah, and he has really made this place is a good situation, and a good weather, but the field position is not well at all. We have to they were trying to play their best level, but as the water in the field, they are not trying to show their tricks. It's really well turning. The goalkeeper got the ball. Long shot. Maybe it's goal. Time up, time up. Elenga, finally Elenga won the match, and the score is Elenga 2, Auliabad 0. Look at the field, and thousands of people were watching this game, and it was really exciting. And finally it's really grateful and it's joyful for Elenga team, and they played well in this situation, though there is water in the field, but they were trying to cope with the field. And finally they won the match, and they got 2 goals, and it's really especially great enjoyable moment for them. It's really enjoyable moment, and I would like to thank all the cameramen and who is trying to make the video clip of this game, and especially I would like to thanks for everything. And the game is over. And final score, Elenga 2, Auliabad 0. And there is a last thing. I would like to invite all the guys, all the peoples, for Friday. There is a big match for Friday. And thanks for everything. Thanks for all. Thank you very much.
এই পর্যায়ে আপনাদের সাথে আছি আমি শাহিন আলম। আজকের খেলায় অংশগ্রহণ করেছিলেন এলেঙ্গা ফুটবল একাদশ এবং আউলিয়াবাদ ফুটবল একাদশ। এই খেলায় আপনাদের জানিয়ে দিচ্ছি ফলাফল। আউলিয়াবাদ ফুটবল একাদশ 0 এবং এলেঙ্গা ফুটবল একাদশ 2। এ পর্যায়ে আমি আপনাদের থেকে বিদায় নিচ্ছি। শাহিন আলম সবার সুস্থ ও মঙ্গল কামনা করে বিদায় নিচ্ছি আপনাদের থেকে। গুড বাই।